Now to add a script, we're going to add it on each button. So they're each going to have a different action when they're clicked. So we're going to start with the play button. So on the play button, click on this plus sign, and we're going to add a local script. Next, we're going to we need to access this ScreenGui object, right? Because if you click on this and you look at this property enabled, we want to basically uncheck this box when we click play. So we're going to do that by scripting. So in here, I'm going to say local, and we want to access that ScreenGui, right? So I'm going to just call ScreenGui, and then I'm going to set it equal to script.parent.parent.parent. I will show you another way to access the ScreenGui in a better way, but this is the quick way to do it. And so the reason why we do that is because it says script. What's the parent of the script? So our script is right here. Our parent is what is the object under. So it's under the play button. So now this is our script.parent. But we said script.parent.parent. So what's the parent of this? Well, the parent of that is frame. Now we said script.parent.parent.parent. So now what's the parent of frame? Now the parent of frame is ScreenGui. So now we have access to that. Now we need to access the button. So the button is the parent of our script, right? Because we have our script here, and then our play button is right above it. So we're going to say local button equals script.parent. Next, we want to do something with that, right? So if we say button dot activated, which means it was clicked or activated, now we want to connect a method to this. So we're going to use a colon, and we're going to use connect. And inside of these parentheses, you want to put in a function. So if you don't know what functions are yet, go ahead and check out my tutorial in my channel where I teach you how to script in Lua. But basically here, we're going to put in an anonymous function. So we're just going to declare our function right in here. So here we have a function. And inside the function, we're going to access that ScreenGui. So our ScreenGui is this variable that we created. And then we're going to access that property enabled. Because remember, if we go to ScreenGui and we look at this enabled property, we're going to want to set this to false, right? Because right now it's set to true. So that's what we're doing here. Now we're going to set the equal sign, and we're going to say false. Now, if we go back and we run it, this time we have our menu, but if we click play this time, the UI goes away. And that's basically how you make your UI appear and disappear. You know, you can play with that enabled property. And yeah, that's that for now. I will show you how to script the exit button on our next section.